Today we are learning to crochet this Sunflower Earbud Pouch. I'm using 2.5 mm crochet hook, 3 colors of yarn, yellow, green and brown, 1 needle to finish our project. To make chain ring, make slip knot and make chain 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. And insert the hook in the very first chain and make 1 slip stitch, and 1 chain ring is created here. We will work in this ring. Chain 2, count this chain 2 as 1 double crochet and make 15 more double crochet in this ring. In total we need 16 double crochet. Including this chain, we have 2 double crochet, 3, 4, 5. Like this, complete your 16 double crochet and I'll see you there. Now let's join the round. Slip knot in a very first chain that we made as 1 double crochet. Make 1 chain a little bit tight and cut the yarn. Let's change the color yellow. Make 1 slip knot for your securing the project. Insert the hook anywhere on the circle and add the yellow color. Make 1 chain, 2 chain, 3 chain. Count this chain as 1 double crochet and make 1 double crochet in the next stitch. 1 chain and 1 double crochet in next chain. 16 double crochet in 16 double crochet of this very first round. 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the next. 1 chain and 1 double crochet in the next chain. Like this, complete the round. We are here at the end of the second round. Make 1 chain and join the round, making 1 slip stitch and 1 chain. Now let's start our third round. We'll be making petals here. Chain 2 and 4 double crochet. In total we need 5 double crochet in one place. This is our 3 double crochet including the chain, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochet, pull the loop a little bit bigger and take out the hook and insert the hook in the very first double crochets chain. Insert the hook and pull through the back loop and chain 1, chain 1. This is our 1 petals. Insert the hook, make 5 double crochet as we did before. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Take out the hook and insert here and pull from the back loop and chain. One more time. 5 double crochet in one space, 4 and 5. Now take out hook, insert in the very first stitch and pull through the back loop, chain 1, chain 1, 2 chain. Like this, complete the third row as well. We are here at the end of the round. Now let's make 1 chain and join the round here, not here, here in this gap. Make one slip stitch, one chain, tie it a little bit and cut the yarn. Now we will add green color here and we will make square. Insert the hook anywhere and join the green yarn. To make your project more secure and strong, make a slip knot to add or change the color. Bring chain 1, chain 3. Count these as 1 double crochet and make 2 more double crochet. We have 2 double crochet now, including the chain 3. Make 1 chain and 3 double crochet in same space. 1, 2, 3. This is our one corner. Now make directly 3 double crochet in this next space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochet in next space. 1, 2, and 3. 3 double crochet in next space. 2 and 3. After this we will make one corner here, next space. To make the corner, make 3 double crochet, one chain and 3 double crochet in same space. That creates one corner for our square. We created one corner here, very first space, then we created 3 double crochet in 3 space and another corner. Now again we will make 3 double crochet, 3 double crochet and 3 double crochet in 3 space, and in 4th space we will make corner like this, 3 double crochet, one space, one chain and 3 double crochet. So our square will be made like this. We are at the end of the round. Let's join the round. In the very first chain, make one slip stitch, one chain, a little bit tight, and cut the yarn. To make the earbud pouch, we need 2 squares like this. I have already made another one. Now let's join this together. To join this together, make this front side opposite like this, facing each other. This is our front and right side. Let's face each other like this and join the corner to corner. This is corner and this is the corner. Make one slip knot. Insert the hook in this space and bring this green yarn. Make one single crochet in the same space. We just join the yarn. Now make single crochet or slip stitch, whatever you are easy with. Insert the hook and insert the hook, both sides loop, pull the yarn and make single crochet. This is how I joined the square. You can even make slip stitch. Just remember 2 single crochet in the corner, otherwise just simply single crochet on each chain, joining both edges. Like this, join the 3 part and leave this area. We reach here, we are leaving this section. Now pull this yarn a little bit bigger and flip the side. Let's double crochet around this border. And make 1 double crochet here. Make 1 double crochet in each chain. Like this, make 1 double crochet all around the round, and I'll see you here. Now I am here at the end of the round. Let's join this by making 1 slip stitch and chain 1. We are almost at the end of our project. Now let's make border. Make chain 3. I already made 1, 2 and 3. Skip the very first chain and slip stitch in the next one. Make 3 chain, skip this one and make slip stitch in the next one. Like this we will make the border. Skip this and slip stitch here. Skip this and slip stitch here. So make border like this. I'll see you here. Border work is also complete. Now let's cut the yarn. Hide this yarn using the needles. You can do it later. Now let's make this strap. To make the strap, I'm using brown color. You can use the color of your choice. Make chain 1, 2, 3 and 4 and make 5 incomplete double crochet in the very first chain. Insert the hook, pull the yarn and leave it like this, incomplete double crochet. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now pull the yarn through the all of the loop. Make 4 chain again, 1, 2, 3. 3 chain and make again 5 incomplete double crochet in this space. This space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Pull through and fold this both of the part and join here. Now make chain 50 to 60 as per your desire and requirement. I have made 60 chain for this, so I'm gonna make 60 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After making the 60 chain, leave a longer tail of the yarn that much is enough, and cut the yarn. Make another one just like this as well, because we need 2 straps. Insert this yarn, the needles, leave this 2 double crochet of the edge, insert the needles from here, bring out back of the 3 double crochet and pull the needles back, 3 double crochet, skip 3 double crochet like this, and bring the needles. Skip 2 here, 3, 3, 3, do all around the pouch, skipping 3 and 2 in the edge. Make 5 incomplete double crochet in the 4th chain from here. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, 5 incomplete half double crochet here, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Join this both, insert the hook here, join this both of the part, chain 1, cut the yarn and hide the extra yarn using the needles, make it neat and clean. This is our 1 stripe is added, but I want to add another one as well. I insert the needles one side from here and another side from here, so pull the both straps and it's closed. Our cute little sunflower crochet earbud pouch is ready. You can put your earbud or a little bit money. There is enough space remaining. Pull these both straps. This is closed. You can make different color using the same pattern and same process. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more video. Thank you for watching.